Hello everyone and welcome back to SSB Crack Exams. I'm Anuradha and I've brought for you a very informative session today where I will be telling you about the TGC or the Technical Graduate Course Entry 135 for January 2022 course. Yes, the notification is out for this particular course that you can see here and for this particular entry, and we are going to discuss in this particular session about the very important things that you need to know if you want to apply through the Technical Graduate Course 135 entry. So before I begin guys, let me also tell you, because this is a direct entry course, it is very important for you to start your SSB interview preparation as soon as you are applying through this entry. So for the complete SSB interview preparation, you can obviously get yourself enrolled into our SSB interview online course, which is specially designed for the comprehensive day 1 to day 5 SSB interview procedure. And for that you need to download our SSB Crack Exams app from the Google Play Store and then get yourself enrolled into SSB interview online course and get into the particular course with all the important things and topics covered inside it, like OIR, PPTT, psych tests, GTO, conference and much more. Not only that, we have also started SSB interview live classes into different monthly batches. So you can see the December batch that has already been going on. So you can get yourself enrolled into this course as soon as possible and also get yourself enrolled into the batches for SSB interview live classes, where our top-notch tutors will be hands-on practically helping you in and guiding you in cracking your SSB interview. Now, let us begin with the most important notification that we are going to discuss in this session, and that is Technical Graduate Course or the TGC 135 notification for 2021. The Indian Army has published the notification for TGC 135, also known as Technical Graduate Course 135, for only male engineering graduates. The online application for TGC 135 entry will be opened from 6 December 2021 to 4th January 2022. So you can note down these important dates, which will be our starting date, and it is 6 December and it will continue till 4th of January 2022, which will be the last date for the online application through this particular entry. Now, who can apply for the TGC 135 July 2022 course? Applications are however invited from eligible unmarried male engineering graduates for 135th Technical Graduate Course or TGC 135, which will commence in July 2022 at the Indian Military Academy IMA Dehradun for permanent commission in the Indian Army. So those of you who were patiently waiting for this entry, your wait is over guys. You can start applying for this particular entry and you can start preparing for your SSB interview. Now, let us look also into the vacancies for the TGC 135 July 2022 course. Now, according to the engineering streams, the civil or building construction technology, you can see the equivalent engineering streams here, like civil engineering, structural engineering, building engineering and construction, building and construction technology, civil and rural engineering, civil engineering and planning, civil engineering, that is construction technology, civil and infrastructure engineering, civil technology, construction engineering and management, construction technology and management, geoinformatics, civil and environmental engineering, civil engineering, that is environmental engineering, civil engineering, environmental and pollution control, environmental engineering, environmental science and engineering, environmental science and technology, civil engineering or public health engineering, environmental planning. For these equivalent engineering streams with civil or building construction technology, the vacancies are 9. Now moving on to the architecture, which will include streams like architecture engineering, architectural engineering, architectural assistantship, architecture and interior decoration. In architecture assistantship, only 1 vacancy is there. For mechanical or mechanical engineering or mechanical mechatronics engineering, mechanical and automation engineering, advanced mechatronics and industrial automation engineering, the vacancies are 5. For electrical or electrical and electronics or electrical engineering, that is electronics and power, power system engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electrical and electronics or power system, electrical and mechanical engineering, electrical and power engineering, electrical instrumentation engineering, electrical instrumentation and control engineering, electrical, electronics and power. The vacancies are 3. Moving on to computer science and engineering or computer technology or MSc computer science or computer engineering, computer science, computer technology, computer science and engineering, computer science engineering, 3D animation and graphics, advanced computer application, computer and communication engineering, computer engineering and application, computer networking, computer science and technology, computer science and information technology, computer science and system engineering, computing and computing, computing and multimedia, computing and software, electrical and computer engineering, electronics and computer science, electronics and computer engineering, mathematics and computing, computer engineering or software engineering, computer science and engineering or networks, nanoscience and technology, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science program, nanotechnology, robotics and automation, automation and robotics, mechatronics engineering, MSc computer science, MSc computer technology. The vacancies are 8. Moving on to information technology in streams like information technology, information science and engineering, software engineering, information and communication technology, information engineering, information science and technology, information technology and engineering, MSc in information technology, MSc in information and communication technology. The vacancies are 3. For electronics and telecommunication branch, mostly in streams like electronics and telecommunication engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering, that is technologician, electronic radio, electronics and telecommunication engineering, that is technology in electric radio, MSc in electronics and telecommunication, the vacancy is 1. For telecommunication, that is telecommunication engineering, the vacancy is 1 again. For electronics and communication, that is in streams like electronics and communication engineering, electronics and electrical communication engineering, communication engineering, applied electronics and communications, electronics and communication, that is communication system engineering, electronics and communication engineering, that is industry integrated, electronics and communication engineering in microwave, advanced communication and information system, advanced electronics and communication engineering, MSc in communication, MSc in microelectronics and advanced communication. The vacancies are 2. For aeronautical or aerospace or avionics, which include aeronautical engineering, aerospace engineering, aircraft maintenance engineering, avionics engineering, aviation engineering, the vacancy is 1. For electronics, which includes in streams like electronics engineering, power electronics and drive, power electronics and instrumentation engineering, electronics and power engineering, digital techniques for design and planning, electronic science and engineering, electronics and control systems, electronics and electrical engineering, electronics design technology, electronic system engineering, electronics technology, radio physics and electronics, electronics and biomedical engineering, optics and optoelectronics, electronics and telemetric engineering, electronics and telematics engineering. The vacancy is 1. For electronics and instrumentation or instrumentation branch in streams like applied electronics and instrumentation engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering, electronics instrumentation and control engineering, instrumentation and control engineering, instrumentation technology, instrumentation and electronics, instrumentation engineering, electronics communication and instrumentation engineering. The vacancy is 1. Moving on to production branch, in streams like production engineering, product design and development, production engineering and management, production and industrial engineering, the vacancy is 1 again. In industrial or manufacturing or industrial engineering and management, in streams like industrial engineering and management engineering, industrial and production engineering, industrial or manufacturing engineering, industrial engineering and management engineering, manufacturing engineering and technology, manufacturing process and automation engineering, manufacturing science and engineering, manufacturing technology, the vacancy is 1. For optoelectronics, in streams like optoelectronics and optics and optoelectronics engineering, the vacancy is 1 again. Lastly, to automobile engineering in streams like automobile engineering, automobile maintenance engineering, automotive technology, mechanical engineering in automobile, mechanical engineering in industry integrated, mechanical engineering in manufacturing engineering, mechanical engineering in production, mechanical engineering in welding technology, mechanical engineering automobile, mechanical engineering design, the vacancies one again. So you can see into these total streams and branches, there are a total of 40 vacancies which you can apply through TGC 135 July 2022 course. Now there are certain important things also which you need to remember. That is, candidates must note only the engineering streams and their acceptable equivalent streams will be accepted. So whatever branches and streams I have been naming to you till now, only these branches and streams of engineering will be accepted through this entry. Candidates with degrees in any other engineering stream or streams are not eligible to apply. So this is a very, very important note that you need to note down while you are applying through this particular entry. Next, recommended candidates of TGC 135th course in July 2022 whose merit is not within the number of allotted vacancies of respective engineering streams may be offered to join Short Service Commission, that is a technical course which will commence in October 2022. Okay. So these are very important things that you need to take into consideration. Also, these vacancies are tentative and may be changed depending on organizational requirements. Now guys, again I want to make this clear to you, because TGC 135th course is a direct entry, you must start your preparation for SSB interview just after you have applied through this entry. So for this you need to download our SSB Crack Exams app from the Google Play Store and get yourself enrolled into SSB interview online course, which is a comprehensive course especially designed for you to crack your SSB interview. And inside this course you will also get to learn in live classes and sessions about the different very important things about the SSB interview, which our top-notch tutors conduct themselves. Now we will move on to the next important thing in this particular session, and that is eligibility criteria that you need to know for the TGC entry 135th July 2022 course. So now we will talk about nationality. So a candidate who is applying for this entry must be either a citizen of India or a subject of Nepal or a person of Indian origin who has migrated from Pakistan, Burma, Sri Lanka and East African countries of Kenya, Uganda, the United Republic of Tanzania, Zambia, Malawi, Zaire and Ethiopia and Vietnam with the intention of permanently settling in India. Provided that a candidate belonging to categories 2 and 3, that is a citizen of India or a subject of Nepal, shall be a person in whose favor a certificate of eligibility has been issued by Government of India. Certificate of eligibility will however not be necessary in the case of candidates who are Gorkha subjects of Nepal. Now, moving on to the age limit, the candidates who will be applying to this entry should be between 20 and 27 years of age as on 1st July 2022. That is, please note down your date of birth. Your date of birth should be between 2nd July 1995 and 1st July 2002, where both dates are inclusive. Right, so I must recommend you to please note down your date of birth. If your date of birth falls within this particular criteria, then you can obviously apply for this particular TGC 135th course entry. Now, also the date of birth recorded in the matriculation or secondary school examination certificate or an equivalent examination certificate on the date of submission of application will only be accepted. No other document relating to age will be accepted and no subsequent request for its change will be considered or granted. Now we will move on to educational qualification. Candidates who have passed the requisite engineering degree course or are in the final year of engineering degree course are eligible to apply. Candidates studying in the final year of engineering degree course should be able to submit proof of passing engineering degree examination along with mark sheets of all semesters or years by 1st July 2022 and produce the engineering degree certificate within 12 weeks from the date of commencement of training at Indian Military Academy. All final year appearing candidates whose final year or final semester exam will be scheduled after 1st July 2022 are not eligible to apply for this course. So obviously if you're in final year but your final year or your final semester exam will be taking place after 1st July 2022, you will not be allowed to go through this entry. So therefore you are not eligible to apply for this course. So this is very important note which you should also jot down. Candidates who have yet to pass their degree examination will be eligible only if they are studying in the final year of degree examination. For induction to pre-commissioned training academy after final selection, the minimum educational qualification is passing BE or BTech degree in the engineering streams that I have just talked about when I was discussing the vacancy part of this session. Final semester or final year studying candidates will be provisionally allowed to appear in SSB subject to following conditions. First, your cumulative percentage of marks up to 6th or semester or 3rd year of engineering degree, up to 8th semester or 4th year of B Architect, that is Bachelor's in Architecture, and up to 2nd semester or 1st year of MSc in notified equivalent stream or discipline is not below the approved cutoff percentage in your respective streams. Secondly, after declaration of final results, the cumulative percentage of marks up to final year or final semester of degree course will also not be less than the approved cutoff percentage, failing which the candidature will be cancelled. So these two important criteria is also have to note down very importantly. Candidates studying in final year or final semester of engineering degree course should not have any backlog at the time of submission of application. This is also a very important thing that you need to remember before applying for the particular TGC entry 135 course. Any candidate, if found having backlog, will not be allowed to appear in SSB interview, and candidature of such candidates will be cancelled. So this is very important. Those candidates who have yet to qualify in the final year degree examination and are allowed to appear for SSB should note that this is only a special concession given to them. That is, you are required to submit proof of passing engineering degree examination along with all the mark sheets towards the engineering degree examination by the above prescribed date, and no request for extending this date will be entertained on the grounds of late conduct of basic qualifying university examination, delay in declaration of results, or any other grounds whatsoever. So you need to be very clear about it, that you need to submit all the important documents within 1st July 2022 and no extension will be given after that. So it is not that if you are being selected for your SSB, it is a final entry thing. Now, we will now move on to the selection procedure for TGC entry 135 July 2022 course. So what will be the selection procedure for the candidates who are applying through this particular direct entry? First of all, a shortlisting of applications will take place, and for this, integrated headquarters of MOD Army reserves the right to shortlist applications and to fix cutoff percentage of marks for each engineering discipline or stream cumulatively, which is obtained up to 6th semester for engineering degree course, or 2nd semester for MSc Computer Science, or 8th semester for Architecture, without assigning any direct reason. After shortlisting of applications, the center allotment will be intimated to the candidate via their email address. After allotment of selection center, candidates will have to log in to the website and select their SSB dates on a first come first serve basis. The next process is SSB interview. So only shortlisted eligible candidates, depending on their cutoff percentage, will be interviewed at one of the selection centers, that is Allahabad, Bhopal, Bangalore and Kapurthala, by psychologist, group testing officer and interviewing officer. Call-up letter for SSB interview will be then issued by respective selection centers through candidates' registered email ID and SMS only. Also make sure that you are not changing your email ID or your phone number until and unless you are not getting the call letter. So it can also happen that you have changed your email ID or your phone number and no email ID or SMS has come to you. So make sure that till the selection procedure is over, please do not change your email ID or your phone numbers. The next process is merit list. So it must be noted that mere qualifying at the SSB interview does not confirm final selection. Your name should be there in the merit list, and the merit list is prepared engineering stream or subject wise on the basis of marks which are obtained by the candidate at SSB interview. Those in the merit list and who come within the stipulated stream wise vacancies and are medically fit will then be issued joining letters for pre-commissioning training at IMA Dehradun. So this is the whole selection process through which the candidates have to go through while they are applying through this TGC entry 135th course. Now we will also look into the types of commission for this particular entry. The grant of commission. Selected candidates will be granted short service commission on probation in the rank of lieutenant from the date of commencement of the course or the date of reporting at IMA Dehradun, whichever is later. Now, permanent commission is given on successful completion of training candidates in the army in the rank of lieutenant. 1 year ante-date seniority from the date of commission will also be granted to engineering graduates of TGC entry in the rank of lieutenant. The duration of training which the candidates have to undergo will be of 49 weeks. Now, all these information are very relevant. Now that you have checked out your eligibility criteria, the different things that you need to take in your mind, we will now move on to the very important question that this session will now ultimately cover, and that is how to apply for the TGC entry 135th July 2022 course. First of all, the application for this entry will only be accepted online. So no offline application is permissible. Next, to do so, the candidate needs to click on the apply online button on website www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. So here you have to register yourself first and then you need to apply online for this particular entry. Now we will move on to the very important part of this particular session, and that is the most important dates that you need to note down for this TGC entry 135th July 2022 course. So the TGC 135 application start date is 6 December 2021, which has already begun, and the TGC 135 application last date, that is the last date for the submission of this application, will be 4th January 2022. So it is very important that you start applying for this particular entry if you are eligible and start submitting the application way before 4th January 2022 to avoid any kind of last hour rush. TGC 135 SSB cutoff will be announced somewhere in March or April 2022, and then the SSB dates will be announced for this entry, which will be around May or June 2022. The TGC 135th course will commence from July 2022. So these are very important dates that you need to also take in your mind while you are applying for the TGC entry 135th July 2022 course. Now that I have completed this session and it's time to wrap up, before I leave, I will also reiterate certain things for you. And again, I want to say, because this is a direct entry, you must start applying very fast, because the last date is 4th January 2022 for this entry, and you should also, just after you have applied, start your SSB interview preparation as well. For this, please download our app from the Google Play Store, and after that, please get yourself enrolled into SSB interview online course, which is a very affordable cost, and it is a very affordable course for you, and at a very affordable cost you can obviously get a handheld with all the important topics that we have covered inside this particular course from day 1 of SSB to day 5. We have covered each and every test with complete clarity and lots of practice exercise sets as well. Not only that, you will also get an opportunity to join the monthly batches which takes on for SSB interview live classes, and as you can see, the December batch is still on. So please get yourself enrolled into this particular course to get an opportunity to join our live classes batches which happens every month. So now I will also tell you about certain other examinations that we have covered through different courses pertaining to defense exams, and for that you can also download our app from the Google Play Store and check out all the important other defense exam courses which you can also get yourself enrolled into. For all these, please download our app at the end of the day from the Google Play Store and get yourself enrolled into different courses, and for that you can please have to get an extra 10% off by getting yourself through this code Warrior10 into subscribing the courses. That was it, guys, and I hope that this session has been quite informative and helpful for you, and that I wish you all the best for this particular entry. For those of you who want to start applying, please do so before the stipulated last date, and after that get yourself enrolled into the SSB interview online course, which we have exclusively prepared and provided for you. And please download our app to access the courses and use this particular code warrior10 to get an extra 10% off. So I will see you next with something more informative and helpful for your SSB interview preparation, as well as for any exam updates and notification. Till then, everyone stay positive, stay motivated, and always stay tuned with SSB Crack Exams. Jai Hind.